This color you see here is a special color, and it's going to be the main topic of this video. So what's so special about it? This is a three-stage color. A normal three-stage process would be base coat, mid coat, clear coat. The mid coat basically being a transparent base coat, but this one is different. Instead of a normal pearl mid coat, it instead uses a tinted red clear coat as the mid coat. It's a little bit trickier and it takes a little bit longer, but the end result is well worth it. It's relatively rare and there's only a handful of colors that utilize this process, so it's a perfect opportunity to get it on video. So we're prepping the panels here with 2000 grit wet or dry sandpaper as blend panels because we're planning on blending within the panels. We have to make sure everything is taped and covered really good. The last thing you want is paint on the things you didn't want to get paint on. And trust me, scrubbing paint off of shit sucks. This paint's really expensive because it has a ton of special toners in it. These red pearls tend to be really transparent, so it may take an extra coat of paint to get good coverage, about 3 to 4 coats. And that finishes off the base coat. The next stage is the red clear coat, and that's what actually gives this color its unique sparkle. This is the step that really makes this color unique. There's really not that many colors that uses the red clear coat process. It takes a lot longer than the normal three-stage process because you have to wait for the clear to harden before you can move on to the next step. It's been about an hour. It's hardened up good, so now we can move on to the final step. By putting the 2 coats of regular clear over the top of the red clear, it's going to give it a super deep look. And there it is, the final product. And that is how you do red tinted clear coat. And if you enjoy the kind of work that we do here, I would appreciate it if you gave us a thumbs up if you like the video, and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, everyone.